Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, we got a new grill. We got a new old grill. This thing is 29 years old. From Weber. It's an 18-inch. Can you believe I've never had a Weber 18-inch kettle ever? So there's a little story how I got this. I'll tell you that story. We'll take a look at around and some of the stuff, interesting stuff on the box. We'll open it up and put it together. All right, so I'm in Wisconsin, and there's another guy in Wisconsin about 5 hours away in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. His name is Jason. I don't know if he wants me to talk about him, but Jason travels all over the place picking up old kettles. And when he stopped by my house to drop this one off yesterday, he had like 5, 6 other ones that he picked up along the way. So, I want to say thanks to Jason, and Jason has a habit just as bad as I have, if not worse. But anyway, interesting stuff on here is this looks like it was Henry A. Fox Sales, Kentwood, maybe Michigan, is where it was originally sold. And you can see it's the basic Weber 18-inch USA. This is when they were truly made in the USA. I tell you what, don't you want to see it? Well, let's get it out of the box. Oh man, this always, look at those handles, those wood handles. Man, those are just really, really, really nice. And like brand new, as they should be. As you can see here, let's take a look at the codes. So if you're looking for the codes, they're always stamped right there. It's not there, it's here. So it's an old code. So let's take a look at what an old code means. All right, so you go to Google Images and you just type in Weber Grill your codes, and you can see some of them there. And we're looking for the old code, and we gotta go right here. And if you look for 1992, you can see there's an old code there. They started with them in 79, but there were a lot of grills before that didn't have it. So in 79, it started with the A code, and then it went down just like that. So this is a 1992. That means it's 29 years old. Wow. 29 years old. All the paperwork's here, even the even the instruction manual, and you can see even pictograms are back. Were 29 years ago. You've got the owner's guide, which is $2.95, which I think this is a cookbook. To be honest with you, go into it. Yeah, this is a cookbook. So they got all sorts. Oh, yeah, look at that. And all sorts of good stuff in there. So they included a cookbook. You've got congratulations for choosing Weber, and you can register your grill by sending it in. No, not online, but sending it in. Actually, at Denver, Colorado. So cool stuff. You've got our ashtray. Here's our little ashtray, brand new. Man, that's just really cool. All right, so on the rest of the box, you've got your wheels. You've got even the bottom vents. Look at that. Got the old code stamped in there. You got to put that together too. And then your legs and your grates are underneath there. Let's get the rest of it out of the box. I'm probably going to polish the bowl up first before I do any assembling. Oh man, got her shined up real nice. I did turn the handle around. The Weber was chasing the other way, so I want it the same as that way for display. People always ask me what I use to shine, and I've been using this product for a long 20 years. Original gel gloss kitchen and bath polish and protection for everyday detailing and that of your grills, especially a new grill. You got to get it looking shiny first, right? And that's what I use. So let's start putting her together. All right, just following the 29-year-old pictogram there, and got the vents on. Yeah, that is pretty cool. So here's another sign: slotted screws. Not even Phillips. That's pretty cool. And the nut on the other side, lock nut, that's 7/16, no metric. That is says a lot right there. All right, prepping the legs. Got our white cap on. Obviously the one that doesn't have the wheels in it, and with the hole on the bottom, that's where that goes. And then don't forget to put your little holders there for the ash pan. Otherwise, if we put it all together, we'd be taking it all apart. In order to get those holders on. So it doesn't matter the height right now, but just get them on there. All right, got her down on some carpet because you got to give her a couple little taps with a rubber mallet just to get it set in those. And obviously, This is a single one and it goes on the same side as the handle. All right, so what I like to do is I put the axle in, these two on the back loose first, and then set them into place, and then they're gonna get a couple little taps too. All right, putting the wheels on, we got these little iconic Weber caps. Doesn't even say Weber on it, and we're just gonna tap it in place with a hammer. All right, got the ashtray set 5 inches from here to there, and that is about perfect. All right, all together, even with the stuff, put the lid on. That is a cool little grill. That's got a great addition to the land of grills, folks. And you know what? I'm gonna make a promise right now to one little guy out there, and it's my grandson Baker. So this is his dad Brian. Brian, when Baker's ready for his first charcoal Weber, I got her right here, and this is gonna be Baker's. So you know, we'll keep this in storage right here in the land of grills, folks. Thanks to Jason for getting this for me. Thumbs up. Thanks for playing along. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, folks.